PageMaker 7.0 installation setup in Windows 10 operating system. Installation before system setup. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder. Adobe PageMaker folder select open. Blue color setup file select mouse right click. Second option run as administrator click. Setup.exe window first button yes click. Adobe PageMaker installing. Adobe PageMaker 7.0 setup window. Welcome to the Adobe PageMaker setup application related information display. First button next click. Language selection default US English set. Second button next click. And application related select language. Different languages display in box. First one US English default already set. Second button next click. Software license agreement application and software related license complete info display in middle section box. Next second button accept click. Three options display. First one typical. Left side already tick mark set circle. Installation destination folder location and path display. Local disk C newly created folder name Adobe PageMaker 7.0. In case change the another one drive, browse button click. Unnecessary default installation path set. Second button next click. Product is registered to. Second option an individual left side circle tick mark set. Title any one name enter and last name and company name. All boxes fill in names enter. After last one serial number window minimize. Serial number file select open. Notepad file display. Copy the serial number. 4 digits copy. First one left click mouse right click copy click. First box mouse right click paste click. Window minimize. Second one serial number select mouse right click copy. Second box mouse left click mouse right click paste. Window minimize. Third one copy mouse right click. Second option copy click. As the same serial number fill in PageMaker window. Third one select mouse right click paste. Window minimize. Next PageMaker window minimize. Fifth one select mouse right click copy and paste. Minimize. Last one serial number select copy paste. Second button next click. You have provided the following registration information. First button yes click. Default first one component left side box tick mark already set. Second button next click. Current all settings related information display in box. Second button next click. Please wait. Installation process start. Wait and here 0 to 100% completing until wait and here few minutes. After installation completed, information window OK button click. Setup is complete. You may view the read file at this time. Application related file. If you want display file, box tick mark set unnecessary. Display file, box tick marks remove, finish button click. Thank you for installing Adobe PageMaker 7.0 window OK button click. Serial number window close. Windows search box PageMaker enter. First one PageMaker 7.0 application select. Program is running. Adobe PageMaker 7.0. Interface complete display window maximize. Add design related visiting cards and marriage cards. Letter writing different templates display. Direct Your convenient template. Select, mouse double click, present unnecessary. Close. First one, file menu click. First option, new click. Document setup window. Default first one, page size. Later, right side down arrow click. A4 set. First button, OK click. Window minimize. Desktop unscript manager. Select open. kb7.exe window first button. Yes click. First one box lo Telugu language select. Keyboard Apple set. First button, OK click. PageMaker reopen. Font style and font name Priyanka bold. Font size 40 set. Next type Telugu Script Anu. Enter key press. Next enter key press without spelling mistake. Chari Tech Info.